Mr. Speaker, the Prime Minister of the State of Israel.
October 7th is a day that will forever live in infamy. For the forces of civilization to triumph, America and Israel must stand together. Iran is funding the anti-Israel protests that are going on right now outside this building. Not that many, but they're there, and throughout the city. Well, I have a message for these protesters. You have officially become Iran's useful idiots.
I think people are angry, I think people are sorrowful, I think people are rageful.
No!